Hello, and welcome to our guide on enabling two-handed full-screen mode in the Sketchbook app. This feature is available on Android devices and enhances your drawing experience by allowing you to access tools with one hand. First, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. After that, in the Preferences menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Two-Handed Fullscreen Mode. Now toggle this setting to On to enable the feature. Finally, tap Done at the top left corner to save your changes. With Two-Handed Fullscreen Mode enabled, you can use your non-dominant hand to access tools like the brush, color, and layer editors while continuing to draw with your dominant hand. This setup provides a more efficient and ergonomic drawing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with fellow artists, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy drawing!